An enchanting winter adventure is calling your name. It's called the Ice Palace, and it has made its return to Minnesota.
So it's in the west metro city of Delano. It's right across from Central Park, if you can kind of picture that in your mind. We do have a Central Park. That's where we find our reporter, Kristen Havrick. Hi, Kristen.
Hi, I like that accent, Ben. That was very impressive.
You know when he busts out the accents that he means business.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, yeah, it's legit. You guys, it is just so cool out here. The Ice Palace in Delano is 90,000 square feet of icy tunnels, hallways, thrones, slides, different areas that you can explore, so many photo ops. And I love that it's a family that put this together. They're from Idaho. They bring this to Minnesota year after year, and it has got to be on your Minnesota winter bucket list. So let's go ahead and bring in Britton Youngstrom. That's a solid name, my friend.
Well, appreciate it. We're from Sweden, and
Okay.
we actually had my great-great-great-grandfather came here to Minneapolis first before we went to Idaho. So our roots
Full
are here.
universe, full
Yeah,
circle.
we went full circle.
Okay, so you are the ice engineer. Now, what's so fascinating is that you guys are log home builders the other months of the year. So how did you go from working with wood to working with ice?
So we had a friend that went to Finland, and he's like, I always thought, if we could make this happen in Idaho, that would be amazing. And my dad started thinking about it, came up with a method. And as you can see here, his method, we have preformed, elongated pieces of ice, and we can cut whatever length we want, and it allows us to frame the entire structure. We have over 70 sprinklers that we turn on, and it grows it from there. But we call them ice logs.
Ice logs, and this is patented, and we're not going to give away too much of the secrets here because you got to keep it in the family. But this is really how the magic takes form, because when we look at this, you think, well, there's got to be something under there, and not the case.
We've had people ask, so what do you do with it in the summer? And it all melts. It's not here.
This was an empty field.
Yep, it is 100% ice other than the underlying plumbing.
Okay, and so the sprinklers, does that just help to build the ice on top of
Yep,
each other?
You can see the frame and skeleton that we put up, and then all of the growth and expansion you see from there is the sprinklers. We just let Mother Nature do what she does best and make these beautiful formations.
It's fascinating. Tell me about the process of harvesting ice from a nearby lake. It almost looks like you're Kristoff from the movie Frozen pulling that out.
Well, you know, that movie definitely brought a lot of life to an age-old tactic. But we know with equipment, chainsaws, we're able to grit out a pattern. And we have an ice slide over here that is entirely comprised of local lake ice. There's a Youngstrom Lake here local that we want to pull some ice from too, named after our family. So.
Yeah, absolutely. So there's entertainment here as well, which is so fun. Families can really make a night or a day of this experience. And you have some fire performers that you guys have brought out today. Tell me a little bit about them.
Yeah, so it's Inspire Performance, and they have been with us since year one, and they...
Oh, goodness sake. Wow.
And as you can see, and
so
at night,
impressive.
it's all the more amazing and impressive at night as well.
Yeah, and that's another way to see the Ice Palace, right? With all the LED lights. It's impressive by day, but at night it really pops.
Right. And I mean, we all hear it. It's fire and ice.
The perfect juxtaposition. Now, if folks really want to get cozy, there's a VIP yurt experience. Tell us more about that.
So we have a 30-foot yurt that's a VIP experience. It has hot chocolate included, free winter vision glasses that allow you to see snowflakes wherever you look at any light. And it's a heated yurt, so you can have a heated experience with 2-hour time slots. Keep you and your little ones warm.
What did she have to drink before that? No, I don't know.
You're going to be having some of that after this.
Yeah, definitely. Now, we have to touch on last season. It was so unseasonably warm in Minnesota, but you guys had already done all the work. You were open for 4 days, and that just had to be heartbreaking and devastating for you because everything melted. All your hard work was gone.
Well, the worst part was not that the hard work was gone, but that we didn't get to share it with the community. That's why we do this. You know, I come from a professional background in emergency medicine, and oftentimes you're seeing people on the worst day of their life. And now doing this, we get to bring the best day to somebody's life.
Yes,
So,
making people smile.
that is our only job out here.
Okay. Awesome. Well, Britton, thank you so much for your time. Really
thank
appreciate
you.
it. Great work. Ben Elizabeth, there you have it, the Ice Palace here in Delano. They're open Thursdays through Sundays. Get the family together. Come
So
check it out.
beautiful. It looks great, Kristen. And thanks for showing us that peek inside the yurt. really very cool. That was
Right?
awesome.
Yeah, loved it.
I want to go in there.
VIP.
Totally. Thanks, Kristen. So the Ice Palace is offering a special deal for our Twin Cities Live viewers. You can take 30% off your ticket. Just use the code TCL30. We put a link with additional information over on our website, twincitieslive.com.
Well, we've been talking about it all show. We're already looking towards the weekend, and we've got some great breakfast ideas for you and your family to try. When we come back, French toast that does not require maple syrup. It's like naked French toast.
Oh, jeez.
It
Naked.
sounds so yummy.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, it's winter, presented by Rainy Lake, north of the Twin Cities, gateway to Voyageurs National Park. Rainy Lake is your Minnesota vacation destination, spring, summer, fall, and winter. Plan your trip at rainylake.com.